Hello and welcome to the Comfy Kitchen. Today we are going to be making macaroni salad. These are our ingredients that we're going to use. So the first step is to boil a pot of water for your noodles, and you always want to make sure you put oil and lots of salt, like enough so that the water tastes like the sea, to cook the noodles. The oil is so that they don't stick, and the salt helps the water boil. Once your water's boiling, turn down the heat to medium and add your desired pasta. Make sure to stir often so the pasta doesn't stick. Once the pasta looks like this, strain from the water. You can also test them to make sure that they're the desired cookness that you like. Next, you're going to put the pasta into a metal bowl into the fridge to allow it to cool down faster so the mayo doesn't cook. Make sure to stir the pasta every once in a while so that it helps with the cooling process as well as so it doesn't stick together. Now that the macaroni is cool, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients.